of yourself out there. Here we go. Bulldozer number.
Okay, Bulldozer 2510. Bulldozer 2510. Once again, take a Bulldozer 2510.
That's a real good radio check. I heard 220, then number 2 got in where he fitted in. Number 6 did a little bit, but then 25 just...
Oh, heavy key up.
Squad Bulldozer right there, come on.
Right back, Bulldozer 2510, checking in.
Hey, Bulldozer number.
Bulldozer with a Buffalo. Come on. Saying hello to 220, and he'd just be talking that little bit too long, and you just had a little bit better conditions there, 2525. Hello, 2525, Bulldozer, come on. I'm just cruising, passing through, no doubt about it. Take 25 D9, Mr. 2525, just passing through. Have a good day. As you're passing through, I'll be just hanging around there, man. Hey, 2525, I'll be just kicking back in my old Radio Shack. Got my feet up, a nice fussy cold beer. I'll be having a good time listening to my radio, because I haven't had conditions like this for a long time. So I'm going to get my DX6 there, 2525. What do you think? Listen to the water gate. Listen to the water gate. Listen to my radio, because I haven't had conditions like this for a long time. So I'm going to get my DX6 there, 2525. What do you think? I really appreciate that Watergate there, man. And while you're playing the Watergate, it was 220 was out there dibbing and dabbing too there, duck plucker. 2525. I'll be getting my DX6. Oh, look at me go, 2525. Come on. That time 220 was in there on the big iron. 2553. I've got about 3 or 4 stations out there that I can pick up in my